everybody, so it's dinner time and it's a little cloudy today outside, so we're just kind of staying inside today. So I'm gonna cook some simple dinner. It's a Filipino pancit. I already cooked this 3 years ago. I have recipe, but I've been cooking this, but tonight I'm gonna video it because I have nothing to do. So I'm gonna show you my recipe. I got some chicken thighs. This is boneless, and I already marinated this with soy sauce. And I got some cabbage. I have some snow peas, scallion, onion, carrot, whole head of garlic, and then olive oil, black pepper, and the soy sauce. I use this to marinate the chicken. And the noodles is a rice stick. I got this because I have no choice. They run out in Walmart, that my favorite shopping area, but it's still the same taste. Everything's the same. And I got the flour stick, Pancit Bihon. So let's go turn this on, and we're gonna put some oil. And then we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, now the oil is hot, so I'm gonna put the garlic and the onion. And then we're gonna put the ground black pepper. And let's go mix it. And we're gonna cook the garlic and the onion for like 3 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna put the carrots in together with the garlic and the onion. Then let's mix it. And then after this, when the carrot is a little cooked, we're gonna put the chicken in. Let's go mix it. That smells really good. Alright, we're gonna add the chicken thighs that I marinated with soy sauce. There we go. Mix it. And then we're gonna add some water, like 1 cup of water. Now in this recipe, you can add chicken broth or Knorr cubes, but I add only 1 piece of chicken Knorr cubes over here because I forgot to buy chicken broth. So here we go. And then we're gonna mix it. We turn this up high, bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna mix it. And then we're gonna cook the chicken for like 6 to 8 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked. So I picked this recipe tonight because it's very quick and really simple to make, and the total of this preparation for everything is like 30 minutes, cutting the chicken, the vegetables, and everything. So that's it. It should be done soon. Now let's go turn it down a little because it's boiling, and we're gonna mix it. Alright, so you don't want to overcook the chicken. So here we go. I'm gonna add this snow peas, the cabbage, and then the scallion. And let's go mix it together. The chicken is cooked. Alright, let's go turn this off. And then we're gonna transfer this over here. All of these vegetables. Alright, as you can see, I set the vegetables aside over here because you don't want to overcook it. And I left the juice over here from the chicken. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. And then we're gonna cook the noodles over here, the rice sticks and the pancit bihon. So we're gonna turn this on up high, bring it to a boil, and we're gonna add the noodles in. Alright, so this is the rice sticks that I soaked it earlier. Now I drained the water already, so it's ready to put it right here in the boiling water. And then the pancit bihon. I'm gonna do a mix one more time in my noodles. So this is cooked already. I cook my noodles for 7 minutes and you don't want to overcook it, so let's go turn this off and then we're gonna drain it. So we're gonna mix the noodles from the cooked vegetables over here. See, there we go. Let's go transfer this over here. Let's go squeeze some lemon on top of the pancit. Make sure the seeds is not going to the pancit. So this is my final Filipino Pancit Bihon-Canton. So I think looks good and it smells really good. So that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.